Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over the new um, Webtalk rewards program. All right, now for this, I'm going to go over the first one, the first change. So earn up to 10% of the ad revenue generated from the content you share. All right, the second point that he put out. This is from our CEO RJ Garbowich. So number three, referral rewards. Invite people you know to join Webtalk and earn up to 10% of the revenue that they generate. All right. So number four, influencer and affiliate program. Earn 10% of the revenue generated from the members who join as a result of your online advertising and marketing efforts. All right. Now, number five, opportunity. Limited 5-level bonus opportunity paying 10% revenue share through 5 levels of referrals for those who want to build Webtalk marketing teams. All right, so you have the ability to create huge networks and earn off of everybody else that you refer. All right, so I'm going to get more into that right now. So number six, sign up bonuses. So earn $5 when you enroll in WebTalk Rewards program, and that's new. Earn $5 when one of your WebTalk referrals enrolls in WebTalk Rewards, right? And then earn $5 per WebTalk rewards member referral through 5 levels when you earn the 5-level bonus, right? All these changes will be included in the new rewards website back office rewards enrollment agreement coming next quarter. So that's in the next month or so. All right, and all this will be retroactive. All right, meaning if you're already qualified for them, then they will show up in your account when we launch in the new rewards app. All right, so if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below, and it's completely free of charge to join. Thank you.